Before attempting the mermaid pose, you should give yourself time in the pigeon, which is already very intensive stretch for your hips, for the hip flexors of the straight leg, and for the glutes and adductors of the bent leg. That's the area where a lot of fears of settling down. So you should give yourself time and allowing your nervous system to calm down, and then it's easier to stretch the hips. Stay here 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. You can increase every day, and then you'll see that mermaid pose is becoming easier. You can also prepare your hip flexors with another asanas, like the equestrian pose, for example, which is a very good stretch for your hip flexors. Many people have them tied due to the sedimentary way of life, so spend a lot of time sitting on a chair. And see if you can grab the foot. If you're not able, maybe the mermaid pose will be not accessible for you. And that's easier to target the hip flexors, so you need also give yourself time here in that posture. That's safer for the knees. And also allowing the hips to sink down and preparing for the pigeon and mermaid. You should be very careful with your knees in the pigeon pose. If there is any pain, you should stop immediately. You can try to place a block under the sitting bone of the bent leg if it's not touching the ground. Or you can just give yourself time, making sure that the sitting bone and the knee of the bent leg are on the ground, and staying in sleeping pigeon and sliding the straight leg even back till it's in one line with your upper body, and then you can lift up. That's in case if your glutes are tight. Patience is very important when it's about hip openers, so you should not rush. They are very muscle working in the hip joint, so it takes time to prepare all of them for most difficult hip openers. And if your pelvis is on the ground in line with your chest is facing forward, your straight leg is in line with your upper body, then you can attempt the mermaid pose. Bending the left leg and placing the left foot on the inner side of the left elbow, interlocking the fingers behind the back. Keep the head in line with your spine. Don't twist to the side. Push your chest forward. And then try the other side.